Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your AT&T internet service, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly disconnect and avoid unexpected charges. Step 1. Review your AT&T account to understand your contract status, early termination fees, and any remaining equipment payment plans. Step 2. Contact AT&T customer service by calling their cancellation department or visiting an AT&T store. Have your account number and personal identification available. Step 3. Inform the representative that you want to cancel your AT&T internet service. Clearly communicate your desired disconnection date. Step 4. Be prepared for retention efforts including special offers, rate reductions, or contract modifications. Carefully consider these options or politely decline if cancellation is definite. Step 5. Confirm all final charges, including early termination fees if under contract, prorated service charges, and equipment non-return fees if applicable. Step 6. Understand equipment return requirements. AT&T requires return of gateways, routers, and any other rented equipment within 21 days of service disconnection. Step 7. Return all AT&T equipment to an authorized store location or via UPS using the prepaid return label provided. Always obtain and keep your return receipt. Step 8. Review your final bill to verify all charges are accurate. Cancel any auto-pay arrangements and monitor your account for 60 days to ensure no additional charges appear. If you have bundled services, confirm which services remain active. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.